Hey, welcome back. I'm doing uh, um, another unboxing video. So it's very quiet here, and my other my brother and my sister are sleeping now. So I'm gonna do a quiet unboxing. So yeah, let's take a look. Alright, first figure. It's my ever doing a Sega Toys, and we have the Sega Dinosaur King Amargasaurus. Second will be the Carnotaurus. If you ever watch Dinosaur King, it's a anime series that where kids going hunt where the dinosaurs are on the loose in modern world. Here we have my maybe say Edmontosaurus, Iguanodon, I don't know. My is it Utahraptor or Deinonychus? And these are pretty huge for a figure. And last is the Styracosaurus. I'm going to do a review separately of this figure. And of course, I also got the Recur Velociraptor. For my first ever Recur. And another special thing about this, and I have new Lego Moc Build yet, so I'm gonna take all of them first and second. Sorry about the noise. And here my Lego review. Here's my mini Triceratops. I remember that I'm gonna do the bigger one, so I made this smaller one. The joints are kind of loose, so it's kind of fluffy. The Technic pins are kind of loose, though it cannot fit the figure up. And here's my mini T-Rex, my first ever T-Rex that I build. And this guy is a mini build. The feet are kind of huge though, and the Technic pins kind of loose, same as the Triceratops. And yes, compared to my Velociraptor, in the stand here we have a Dilophosaurus build. It's kind of small, the smallest mock build that I ever do, and it's a minifig scale also. And yeah, Dilophosaurus is the largest carnivore theropod dinosaur in the Jurassic period, so that's very accurate. And here I have the Deinonychus. I'm gonna say the Utahraptor. I add feathers. I use these tooth pieces to make as the feathers. So I will reviewing that soon. I already reviewed the tail. Sorry. And here's my upgraded Velociraptor. I changed the colors a bit. So, and the last but not least, here I have my bigger Lego build yet. It's the Lego Titanoboa. I'm gonna show you the face. And here's the face. Sorry about the background noise. And see you. Hope you enjoy and subscribe. Thank you.